Connecting GoHighLevel to Zapier lets you automate your workflows, like syncing new leads, updating contacts, or triggering actions between apps you already use. Before you start, make sure that you have a Zapier account and access to your GoHighLevel API key. You can find it in the GoHighLevel dashboard by going to the Settings, Company, API key. And after that, you create a new Zap right here. Just press on this, then press on the trigger. And in here, just search for GoHighLevel. Search for GoHighLevel in here and select it. You'll then be asked to connect your account. And after that, just paste your API key to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can choose a trigger event like new contact, new opportunity, or new appointment. Then add an option step to send that data to another app. For example, adding new leads to Google Sheets or sending Slack notifications. And after you test a Zap and confirm everything works, turn it on, and your GoHighLevel automations will start running instantly in the background. Enjoy this, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.